So guys, nandito na ako sa bahay. Nagdidikdik ako ng garlic tapos calamansi with onions. Ilalagay ko to siya sa aking business namang inasal. And this is the lumpiang Shanghai wrapper. And this is my onions. Ayan. Chili, green chili. And this one is kinchay and carrots. And this is our ulam tonight, fried chicken. Buto-buto ng aking lumpiang Shanghai, so tipid na guys, diba? So itong aking tag dito, order na sa akin na tag dito, chicken inasal. Ayan, it's a very delicious like me. Char. Thank you for watching guys. So I'm here in the house. This is my day off, but I'm so very tired and I'm so very busy because I have so many work here inside the house aside from my work and my business. And gagawa tayo ng leche flan, my dessert. So yun lang. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. Thank you po sa mga nag-like, share, and subscribe.